Welcome to Lambda Fundamentals, part of our AWS Serverless series. In this video, we'll explore AWS Lambda and discover how serverless computing is revolutionizing the way we build and deploy applications in the cloud. Serverless computing is a cloud computing model where developers can build and run applications without managing servers. This doesn't mean there are no servers involved, but rather that all server management is abstracted away from you. The key benefits include no server provisioning or maintenance, automatic scaling based on demand, paying only for actual compute time used, and an event-driven execution model that responds to triggers. AWS Lambda is Amazon's function as a service offering, often abbreviated as FaaS. It lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. Lambda is event-driven, meaning it executes code in response to triggers. It provides auto-scaling that handles anywhere from 1 to thousands of requests simultaneously. You're billed by the millisecond and pay only for execution time. Lambda supports multiple runtimes including Python, Node.js, Java, Go, and .NET. It integrates natively with AWS services and includes built-in security through IAM roles and encryption. Understanding how Lambda works is straightforward. First, an event trigger occurs when an AWS service sends an event to Lambda. Second, Lambda automatically provisions compute resources and executes your code. Third, once processing is complete, Lambda returns the output and terminates the execution environment. Lambda automatically provisions compute resources, executes code, and scales based on incoming requests, all without any manual intervention from you. Every Lambda function has 3 core components. The handler is the entry point function that Lambda calls when your function is invoked. The event parameter contains the trigger data input passed to your function. The context parameter provides runtime information about the execution environment. In this Python example, we define a Lambda handler function that accepts event and context parameters. The function processes the logic and returns a response with a status code of 200 and a body containing hello from Lambda. Lambda offers several compelling features and benefits. Automatic scaling means Lambda scales from 0 to thousands of concurrent executions seamlessly without configuration. Cost efficiency ensures you pay only for compute time used with no charges when your code isn't running. Zero administration eliminates server management, patching, and infrastructure maintenance entirely. High performance is guaranteed with sub-second metering and consistent performance at any scale. Lambda excels in various use cases. You can build web APIs by creating REST-TFL APIs and microservices. It's perfect for data processing tasks like ETL pipelines and real-time analytics. File processing operations such as image resizing and video transcoding are common applications. Lambda powers chatbots and AI-powered conversational interfaces. You can run scheduled tasks as cron jobs and automation workflows. It also handles event response scenarios for IoT applications and real-time notifications. Lambda follows a pay-per-use pricing model where you're charged only for actual compute time consumed. Pricing depends on 4 factors. Request count measures the number of function invocations. Duration tracks execution time in milliseconds. Memory refers to the allocated memory per function. Data transfer accounts for outbound network traffic. AWS offers a generous free tier that includes 1 million requests and 400,000 gigabyte seconds of compute time per month. Lambda integrates seamlessly with the AWS ecosystem. S3 triggers Lambda functions on object storage events. SNS handles notifications. SQS processes message queues. API Gateway creates REST and HTTP APIs. DynamoDB uses stream triggers for database changes. Kinesis processes real-time data streams. CloudWatch manages logs and metrics. EventBridge provides event routing capabilities. Overall, Lambda integrates with over 200 AWS services, enabling powerful event-driven architectures. Let's recap the key takeaways. Lambda enables serverless computing without any server management required. It automatically scales based on demand and charges only for actual usage, making it cost-effective. Lambda integrates seamlessly with the AWS ecosystem for building event-driven applications. It's perfect for microservices, APIs, and data processing workloads. Now you're ready to start building serverless applications with AWS Lambda. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.